Hello everyone, and welcome to Bright English Point. Today, we will tell you the story of one of the most famous drinks in the world, Coca-Cola. This story is fun and easy to understand. It will help you learn English through simple and interesting words. Let's start our journey with Coca-Cola. Coca-Cola is a very popular soft drink. Many people around the world love it. It has a special taste. It is sweet and fizzy. The drink is known for its red and white label. When you see that label, you know it is Coca-Cola. People drink it at parties, with meals, and on hot days to feel refreshed. Coca-Cola is made by mixing a secret syrup with fizzy water. The recipe is kept a secret. This secret makes people curious. They wonder what makes it taste so good. It is not just a drink. It is a symbol of happiness and sharing. You can find Coca-Cola in stores, restaurants, and vending machines almost everywhere. No matter which country you visit, you will see the famous red bottle or can. Coca-Cola is a part of many cultures. People celebrate and share it with their friends and family. In this video, we will learn more about how Coca-Cola began, how it changed over time, and how it grew into a brand that everyone knows. We will look at its simple start, its long history, and its journey to become a global icon. Let's learn the magic behind Coca-Cola and why millions of people love this drink so much. This story is easy and fun. Enjoy learning with us. Coca-Cola began a long time ago in 1886. It started in a small town called Atlanta, in the state of Georgia, USA. A kind man named John Pemberton worked as a pharmacist. In those days, pharmacists made special drinks to help people feel better. John Pemberton wanted to make a drink that was not only tasty but also could help cure a headache and give energy. One day, he mixed a new kind of syrup with fizzy, carbonated water. He called this drink Coca-Cola. At first, he sold it in his pharmacy as a kind of medicine. People came to the soda fountain in his store to try this new drink. They liked its sweet taste and bubbly feel. Soon, many people in Atlanta began to ask for Coca-Cola. The drink quickly became popular. In 1892, a man named Asa Candler saw that Coca-Cola could be much more than a local drink. Asa Candler bought the rights to Coca-Cola. He was very good at business and advertising. He made many small changes to help the drink reach more people. He started to sell Coca-Cola in bottles so that it could be taken to different places. With bottles, the drink could be enjoyed at home, at work, or on the go. As Coca-Cola grew in popularity, its secret recipe became even more famous. The recipe was written down on a small piece of paper and locked away. Many people tried to copy the taste, but only Coca-Cola had the real flavor. This secret made the drink even more special in the eyes of its fans. In the early 1900s, Coca-Cola began to appear in many stores and soda fountains all over America. Advertisements in newspapers and on signs showed smiling people enjoying a cold bottle of Coke. These ads made people think of Coca-Cola as a symbol of happiness and togetherness. Families would share a bottle of Coca-Cola during picnics and special gatherings. The history of Coca-Cola also includes some hard times. In the early years, the company had to work very hard to compete with other drinks. But thanks to smart advertising and the unique taste, Coca-Cola always found a way to win. During difficult times, like the Great Depression, Coca-Cola was a small comfort that brought smiles to many faces. World events also played a big part in the history of Coca-Cola. During World War II, soldiers from many countries fought far from home. Coca-Cola made sure that these soldiers could drink their favorite drink, even when they were away from home. This act of kindness made Coca-Cola a symbol of care and hope. After the war, people remembered these good feelings and loved the drink even more. As years passed, Coca-Cola continued to grow. It was not just an American drink anymore. The company began to export bottles to other countries. In each new place, Coca-Cola used simple words and friendly images in its ads. These ads helped people feel happy when they saw the red bottle. Today, the history of Coca-Cola is a story of hard work, smart ideas, and a lot of heart. From a small pharmacy in Atlanta to a global drink, Coca-Cola has come a long way. This history shows us that even a simple idea can grow into something amazing when people work together and never give up. The journey of Coca-Cola teaches us about creativity, business, and the power of a good taste. It reminds us that a kind idea, when shared with love, can bring joy to millions of people all over the world. As time went by, Coca-Cola changed many times. The drink stayed the same inside, but its look and how it was sold changed a lot. At first, Coca-Cola was only sold at soda fountains in small glass bottles. Later, the company found new ways to give people their favorite drink. One of the most famous changes was the creation of the classic contour bottle. This bottle has a unique shape with smooth curves. It was made so that people could recognize it, even if they could not see the label. This special bottle design became a strong symbol for Coca-Cola. Even today, many people love to see or collect the classic bottle. Coca-Cola also began to use new packaging. After glass bottles, the company started to use aluminum cans and plastic bottles. These new packages made it easier for people to drink Coca-Cola anywhere, at home, at work, or while traveling. The drink was no longer only for special visits to the soda fountain. As time moved on, Coca-Cola made many new types of drinks. The company introduced Diet Coke, which has less sugar, and Coke Zero, which has 0 calories. They also made different flavored versions like Cherry Coke and Vanilla Coke. These new drinks were made for people who wanted variety but still loved the taste of Coca-Cola. Innovation did not stop there. The company sometimes makes special bottles or limited edition flavors during holidays or big events. These special editions make fans very excited. They look forward to the new taste and the unique design on the bottle. In recent years, Coca-Cola has also worked on being kind to our planet. The company now makes efforts to use better packaging that can be recycled. They try to use less plastic and help keep our environment clean. This is a new and important change that shows Coca-Cola cares about the future. The evolution of Coca-Cola is a story of change and care. It shows how a well-loved drink can adapt to new times while keeping the same good taste. The changes in packaging, the new drink options, and the care for the environment all help Coca-Cola stay a favorite around the world. This journey teaches us that while things change, the love for a good idea can stay strong. Coca-Cola is not only famous for its taste but also for its smart and fun advertising. The company has used many creative ideas to tell its story and make people feel happy. From the very beginning, Coca-Cola used simple and friendly words in its ads. Early newspaper ads showed pictures of families, friends, and smiling people. These ads told a simple message: Coca-Cola brings joy and refreshment. Later, catchy phrases like delicious and refreshing and open happiness were used. These short slogans are easy to remember. They help people feel excited about drinking Coke. As time went on, Coca-Cola used television to reach more people. Colorful commercials with music and dancing became very popular. One of the most famous ads shows a jolly Santa Claus enjoying Coca-Cola during Christmas time. This ad made the drink a part of holiday celebrations. Coca-Cola also sponsored many big events. They helped support sports, music festivals, and even the Olympic Games. When people see Coca-Cola at these events, they feel a sense of unity and joy. It makes the drink feel like it is part of important moments in life. In recent years, Coca-Cola uses social media to share its story. They post pictures and videos on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Fans from all over the world send in their own pictures of Coca-Cola moments. This modern way of marketing keeps the brand young and exciting. The smart marketing of Coca-Cola shows us that using simple ideas and kind messages can bring people together. It teaches us that good advertising does not need hard words. It just needs to share happy and honest feelings. Coca-Cola is a truly global drink. Today, you can find it in almost every country in the world. The company made smart choices to grow its business outside of America. The secret of global success is to make people feel at home. In each country, Coca-Cola learns about local customs and tastes. They sometimes change the design of the bottle or the words on the can to match the local language. This helps people feel a personal connection with the brand. No matter where you are, from busy cities to small villages, you can always find Coca-Cola. The taste is the same, and this consistency makes people trust the brand. Whether you are in Europe, Asia, Africa, or America, Coca-Cola is there to refresh you and bring a smile. Coca-Cola's global journey shows us that simple ideas, when shared with care, can connect people all over the world. It is a perfect example of unity through a common love for a great drink. Thank you for watching our long and simple story about Coca-Cola. Today, we learned what Coca-Cola is, its long history from a small pharmacy in Atlanta, and how it changed over the years. We also saw how smart ideas in advertising and global care helped Coca-Cola grow into a famous brand all over the world. This story shows us that a small idea can grow big with hard work, creativity, and care. We hope you enjoyed the story and learned new English words along the way. Remember, every great story teaches us something new, and every new word helps us speak better English. Please like, share, and subscribe to Bright English Point for more fun and simple stories. Leave a comment below to tell us your favorite part of the Coca-Cola story. Thank you for joining us. Until next time, keep learning and stay happy.